Here is the latest Redmi A1 Plus, and today we will unbox it together. So let's see what is inside the box. When you open the box, the first thing you'll see is the beautifully designed Redmi A1 Plus. Another thing you'll see inside the box is the power adapter with 100 to 240 VSC, 50 to 60 GHz, just like the Redmi 9C. In case you've used Redmi 9C before, it's actually authentic. The cord is strong and flexible. There are also 3 leaflet manuals to guide you on every step of the way. Okay, it's time for us to see this beauty on display. The back is designed with thick plastic, so you don't have to be afraid of water splash. Redmi A1 Plus is clean, sleek, and easy to navigate. What I love most about this phone is the large icons. It's actually made for any kind of eyesight. It accepts 2 nano SIM slots and runs on Android 12, the latest Android version. That's another unique thing about this phone. Battery capacity is 5000 mAh with a storage capacity of 2 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM. Another unique thing about this phone is it's inputs with digital well-being and parental controls, which means your child can also own this phone without you being scared. A Plus has 8 megapixel main camera and 5 megapixel selfie camera. It's clear enough even in the dark room where I took this picture. So it doesn't really need sun to give you what you want. So even with the low capacity camera, it's still clear enough to take whatever form of pictures. So this is where we draw the curtain on the unboxing of Redmi A1 Plus. We hope to see you on our next video when we will do a total review of this wonderful piece. If you love this video, click the like button. See you on our next reviewing video.